How to use Airalo on iPhone. To use Airalo on iPhone, follow these steps. First, download and open the app. Then select your SIM type: local eSIMs, regional eSIMs, global eSIMs. We will buy local eSSMS. Then click on your country. Then select your SIM. Scroll down to see more option. Then click on Buy. Then click on Buy again. Then select your payment method. Then click on Pay. And your SIM will be bought. Then click on My eSIMs option. Then click on View Instructions. Then click on Install eSIM. Then click on Allow. Then select an option. Then click on Done. Then select an option and click on Continue. Then click on Continue again. Then select an option and enable Allow mobile data switching. Then click on Continue. And your eSIM is installed. Thanks for watching.